history making also makes history. The way we present and remember the past has a huge implication to how we see ourselves today. So for me as a historian, writing history is a political project. I am interested in excavating most radical history there is for us to take lessons from. So my interpretation of the past will have implication for the future. My name is Lili Kim. I'm Associate Professor of History and Global Migrations. I teach history, US history, focusing on race, gender, nation, empire. I think I love teaching at Hampshire and my job because I get to learn so much alongside my students. As a professor, I have experience, I have knowledge, but I don't have all the answers. And so I give them the freedom to explore. I make them partners in their education, and they have a lot of autonomy and ownership within the classroom. My goal is to help guide them, but they're really the captain of their own ship, and I'm really helping them navigate the waters. I foster collaboration and support between students by underlying the importance of caring for one another, emphasizing that we are a community of learners. And this was really brought to forefront during the pandemic. Students really are attuned to one another's needs, and there's a deep respect and love and care I'm really proud to see.